In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to activate the Microsoft Azure student plan. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up any browser, and then here you'll need to go up to the Google section and search for Microsoft Azure Student. From here, you should bring something like this, where the first one will be called azure.microsoft.com, where you can see Azure for Student. From here, you'll need to click on this link where you'll need to be directed into this specific site. Now from here, you can see that you can start for free down here. And if you're not a student, you can get started with Azure by clicking right here. Once from here, you'll also be able to see an overview of what you will get inside of the student plan, like $100 credit score for the next couple months. From here, you'll simply need to click Start Free. And then from here, you'll need to sign up with your Google or Microsoft account. Then from here, once it's done that, it should bring something like this. Now from here, you can see the academic verification. And from here, you'll simply need to add in your first name, last name, the specific country that you're in. And you can see if your country is not listed, the offer is not available in your region. From here, you'll simply need to enter in your school name, your date of birth, your school address that you have been given once you started your school semester, and a verification code if you have that. You may also be asked to send in a picture of your student ID to verify that you actually are enrolled to the specific school that you have typed into right here. Once from here, you'll simply need to scroll down until you will see the captcha. You'll just need to verify the captcha like you usually would and click Verify Academic Statuses. Then from here, you'll be asked if you want to get emails from Azure and to send the application page into Microsoft Azure for them to verify you. If you get verified, you will then get an email from Azure that you have gotten access to Azure Student Plan, and you can click the link inside of the mail that has been sent to your student address. And from here, you will simply just need to log into your academic status account. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!